Hello children, today we will learn about festivals. Here we will learn about different festivals celebrated in our country. In this video we will also learn about religious festival, national festivals, harvest festivals, okay, and we will do some exercise and other celebration also we will learn through this video. Okay. First, religious festivals. People of all religions have some special day which they celebrate, and these special days are called festivals like Holi, Eid, Dashera, Diwali, Guru Parva and Christmas. Holi is a festival of colors. People put gulal and throw colored water on one another. Children are very happy to celebrate this festival. Diwali is a festival of lights. People decorate their houses with oil lamps, candles or bulbs. Children enjoy fireworks and crackers. This is the picture of Diwali and this is the picture of Holi. Next, Eid is a festival celebrated by the Muslims. They go to mosque to offer prayer. Their prayer is called namaz. They wish Eid Mubarak to all. They offer meethi savai to guests and friends. Guru Parva is celebrated by the Sikhs. They celebrate Guru Parvas on the birthday of their 10 Gurus. They decorate their houses. They go to Gurudwaras to pray. Langar, a community lunch is served there. Next, Dashera. Okay, you can see from the picture, Dashera is celebrated for 10 days. On the last day, the effigies of Ravana, his brother and son are stuffed with crackers. The crackers go off, the effigies are burnt. This is the picture of Ravana. Now, Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Christmas tree is decorated with sweets and toys, and the children wait for the Santa Claus. During all these festivals, people put on new dresses. They decorate their houses, they visit one another's house and exchange sweets. Now, what we have learned? We have learned that we have many festivals in India. Children have lots of fun during festivals. Holi is a festival of colors. Diwali is a festival of lights. Eid is an important festival of the Muslims. Guru Parvas are celebrated on the birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus. Christmas is celebrated on the birthday of Jesus Christ. People wear new dresses, decorate their houses on all the festivals. Next, some important points. Why we celebrate Diwali? Because Diwali is celebrated to mark the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after an exile of 14 years. On Christmas, Santa Claus brings gifts for children and put them in stockings. Eid is celebrated thrice a year, Eid ul Fitr, Eid ul Juha and Eid ul Milan. The first Guru of the Sikh is Guru Nanak. Next, we will discuss some national festivals. National festivals are celebrated by everyone in the country. We celebrate 3 national festivals in India. Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th August. India became independent on this day. On this day, national flag is hosted by the Prime Minister on the Red Fort in Delhi. People sing national anthem and fly kites. Next national festival is Republic Day. 26th January is celebrated as a Republic Day. On this day, India became a republic. National flags are hosted all over the country. A grand parade is also held on the Rajpath in Delhi, as you can see from the picture. Another national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. People visit Gandhi Samadhi at Rajghat to pay homage to Bapu. Now, what we have learned from this part of the video that West Bengal is famous for Durga Puja, and on the Dashera, Rama got victory over Ravana. Next other type of celebration is Children's Day. It is celebrated on 14th November every year as a tribute to India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, fondly known as Chacha Nehru among children. So this personality is of Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister. He used to love children very much. Next, Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on September 5 every year. In India, this day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. India's second president. Children show their love and respect for their teachers by giving them flowers and cards. Here, this personality is teacher. She is teaching her student. Okay. Now we will do some exercise of the book. Which festival is known as the festival of color? Holi is known as the festival of color. Which festival celebrates the birthday of Gurus? Guru Parva celebrates the birthday of Gurus. Okay, next. In which festival is a special tree decorated? On Christmas Day, a special tree is decorated. In which festival are the effigies of Ravana, his brother and son burned? On Dashera, the effigies of Ravana, his brother and son are burned. What is the prayer of the Muslims called? The prayer of the Muslim is called namaz. Now here is some matching. Match the following and then fill in the blanks. Children have lots of fun during festival. Yes, correct. People decorate their houses with oil lamps and candles in Diwali. Dashera is celebrated for 10 days. Yes. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December and we wear new dresses on festivals. Now next slide. Here are some exercise. Here Christians decorate it during Christmas. Now what will be the answer? It will be the Christmas tree. Okay. Hindu light this on Diwali night. What is it? It will be Diya. Okay. D-I-Y-A. Number 3. People burst cracker during this festival. It will be Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. People do namaz on this festival. Eid. E. Here in the box I will come. During festivals time he comes with lots of gift. Santa Claus. S-A-N-T-A Claus. C-L-A-U-S. Okay. Now other name our national festival. Independence Day celebrated on 26 January. Republic Day 15th August. Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October. Identify who is this? Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Identify who is this? Second picture. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. Okay, next. Harvest Festival. Harvest Festival celebration of the food. Mainly harvest festival related with the food. Okay, food grown on the land. Now, Bihu. The Assamese celebrate Bihu thrice a year, which signify the distinct cycles of farming. Bhogali, Magh Bihu, January, Bohag and Rongali Bihu in April and Kongali Bihu, October. The Assamese celebrate Bihu thrice a year, which signify the distinct cycles of farming. Okay, same thing here. We celebrate Bihu and these types of laru pithas are made during Bihu. Next, Onam. Onam is celebrated in the southernmost part of India, that is Kerala. Next harvest festival is Pongal. The harvest festival that is celebrated in January in Tamil Nadu when newly harvested rice is cooked. Special food is Pongal. This dish is called Pongal. A dish made of rice, lentils, pepper and cumin or rice, seasoned milk, sugar, jaggery, etc. This is a popular in South India. Next. So Lohri. Lohri is a harvest festival of Punjab. It falls on mid-January every year. Next. Baisakhi. Baisakhi, also known as Baisakhi, marks the Sikh New Year and is a spring harvest festival celebrated in Punjab and other parts of North India. Baisakhi falls on 13th April this year. Next, we'll do some exercise based on this. Name the states where this festival is celebrated. Pongal, just now we have discussed. It is said Tamil Nadu, Onam, Kerala, Baisakhi, Punjab, Bihu, Assam. Name the special food item prepared during this festival. So, Onam, sweet kheer, Bihu, laru and pitha made up of rice. Baisakhi, also sweet kheer and rabri, and in Pongal you can write Pongal is the special dish. Okay. Next, why do we celebrate the following festival? Diwali, to mark the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Christmas is celebrated to remember the birth of Jesus Christ. Dashera, why we celebrate? Dashera celebrates the Hindu god Rama's victory over the demon king Ravana and the victory of good over evil. Why we celebrate Eid? Eid is celebrated to mark the end of the Islamic holy month fasting of Ramadan. Next, we will do some quiz. The festival of colors, Holi, the festival of light, Diwali, the harvest festival of Assam, Bihu. The festival celebrated on 25th of December every year, Christmas. The festival celebrated after 30 days of fasting, Eid. The harvest festival of Kerala, Onam. The harvest festival of Tamil Nadu, Pongal. A Muslim festivals related to moon, Eid. A festival celebrated by Sikh, Guru Parv. A festival celebrated on the birthday of Jesus Christ, Christmas. Okay, children, that's much more for today. Thank you.